Okay, I am going to size this ring. I've already cut it to size. Now we're going to solder it in some water so that it don't screw up our stones, which is turquoise and coral. You gotta get it in there just right, or my solder's not gonna work right. And I want my other solder to be underwater as well. There we go. There we go. Okay. Hopefully I got the right tip on here. We shall see. Takes quite a bit of heat. Yeah, I may have to put a bigger tip on this torch to get it to solder correctly. Yeah, this tip's just a little too small, so we'll change it. I figured I had to have this tip the other day or yesterday for something else. I think it's 3. I'm gonna move up to big one, size 7. There we go. More flux. Taking a lot of heat. Come on. As you can see, it's soldered together. Looks like crap. But a little bit of work. And I would definitely recommend using a metal container. Glass broke.